Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Minnie from Doll Lovers Hub. And first of all, guys, wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. So guys, today I'm here to share with you few of the final unboxings of 2025. So just guys, I got few of the dolls prior, but I didn't got time to unbox them. And since 2026 is coming now, so I'm planning to unbox them today in this video. So stay tuned and do share your comments with me about what you think about these dolls. Do you plan to get them? So be tuned guys, stay with me here. So the first doll I have for you guys is the Barbie Day at the Fair doll. So guys, I got this doll from First Cry and I really liked her outfit and her eye color, because of which I got this doll, and her face really. She is very pretty and the accessories seem fun too. So let's quickly unbox her guys. Okay, here is our girl out of the box. She looks pretty to me guys. She's so pretty. And her hair, it is very soft brunette color. I really love her eyes, her lips, and her dress guys. It is not a two-piece. It looks like a top and skirt, but if you see, it's a dress. The quality is okay-ish. And here she is all guys. I see there is a bit of pixelation in there, but nowadays like it is very common with metal dolls and we can't do anything in there for the basic dolls. But overall she is pretty guys. Regarding the articulation, she has basic 5-point of articulations. And I think her feet is flat feet. Let's check it out. Okay, yes, I was right. It is flat feet only guys. And this was the back of the box guys. So this particular doll, the price was 1299, but I got her on sale, so the price was okay for me. Here is the barcode in case you plan to get her. Overall she is pretty. I really love her dress, how it looks like, the multicolor option, her hair, face. She's pretty. And these are the accessories. I think there is a bag, then there is this camera, and there are sunglasses, zipper, ticket. It looks cool. Now the next doll that we have is this Barbie science doll set. And first of all, about the packaging guys, the packaging is like total, it's in this cardboard box and it's not visible what's inside. And for me, what happened that while I was ordering this doll, I there was this default option selected that, for reducing packaging. So in case you're buying from Amazon, and do check guys that that option is not selected, because you don't want to spoil the packaging, especially if you have to give that item to someone, or if you are an inbox doll collector. So I think I missed to uncheck it. And from Amazon also guys, I think they should not make it default, especially for the toys and collectors, because we often have to gift them, or we plan to keep them in box also, so it doesn't looks nice. It has spoiled the entire packaging there. Okay, so leave it now and let's open up it guys. This box opens up like this, and here we have our dolls. So it has the science set, okay, and plus 2 dolls. I got this doll because of this particular doll. So this is a Kira face mold and I really wanted her. So because of her particularly, I got this set. Plus this set was on sale, basically I think less than half price as well. So I'll open her up now. So here are girls out of the box. You can see how they look. So this one here, the Kira one, she is wearing this purple kind of purple color sleeveless dress, I think. So it's a sleeveless dress she's wearing inside, and she again has flat feet guys. She's petite. Okay, so if I place her with the Millie doll, you can see how small she is. Again, they have basic 5 point of articulation. There is a bit of pixelation, like if I see, not that much visible, but in light it is visible. Now the accessories they come with, these are these lab equipments, laptop, mask, and this particular bench, and this Barbie, stool is there. So this is a cool set, guys, and for me, I will keep the dolls and give the accessories to my kid, who is going to enjoy a lot playing with them. So with this, let's move on to our another unboxing. So our another unboxing is this beautiful mermaid Barbie set, and I got this set from Hamleys, guys, and I'm very much disappointed with the packaging, because see how is the packaging that I have received. So basically this set was on 50% off, and I was like, shocked to see the packaging. It is basically, it seems someone has unboxed it and they have given me like that. But because, anyways, I was planning to unbox these dolls, so I have kept them and not returned. So let's open them up, guys. Now here are our girls out of the box. They are pretty, guys, very pretty. Just one thing that they can't sit, so you can only make them stand. So I wasn't aware of this fact, and I just got them because of their face, because their face is so different and I really love their face. Because of their face mold I got them, but just a drawback there, that they can't sit and they have very basic only head and arm articulation. So in case you are planning to get them, and for me, I just love mermaids and I really love them, so it's not an issue for me if they don't sit, because I have got a couple of them which don't sit, but still I love them. But in case you are okay with that, then they are a good deal. And again, because the face is so pretty, you can also, like, swap their heads with an MTM body. There is little bit of pixelation, as we say, with each of the doll these days. Plus the accessories we have are very cute here. The sea animals are there. So a comb is there, this little tortoise, and again they're cute. So with this, let's move on to the another unboxing we have. I'll also show the back of these dolls to you guys. How is the hair? This doll here has this purple hair, bluish tail, very pretty. Okay, and then the another one has this light purple, like we have the teal one. Okay, that's all about them, guys. So now let's move on to our final package. So this is this package that I have got from Desert Cart, and it has 3 of the collector dolls. So let's open them up. Excited, guys? So the first doll we have here is this Barbie Dream Bestie Zia, and this was the last doll that I had to get to complete my collection. OMG, guys, she is super pretty. I will not unbox her because basically I love to keep my dolls in box only, and the ones for whom the packaging is too bad, I have no option but to unbox them. This one as well, the packaging is not so good, but because all other characters are in box, so I'm planning to keep her as well in box. This is the back of the box. Here is the barcode, and here it is about Zia. Hi, I'm Zia. I love to experiment with fun hair colors, styles and accessories. She's pretty, guys. I love her eyes, her hair, her dress. Like, she's wearing a sweater as her top, and this leather kind of skirt. She has this purple bag in there, accessory seems fun too. Love her. So this is the final look. So another doll I have here is the Barbie Holiday Ken doll. So I already showed you the blonde doll which I got. Now same set I have also got the Ocean King face mold Ken doll because I really loved him. Here he is, guys. I just love this face and I really wanted that Ocean King mermaid doll with this face mold, but it is really too costly, guys. So, and it's very expensive, so I can't order him right now and he's in my wish list. I'll not unbox him and keep it in box only. This is the back of the box and I'm soon planning to get other two of this collection Ken as well. Now here is our final doll, guys, the last doll of 2025. So she is the Disney live action villain doll. So let's see what's in there. This is the outer box, guys. It is so cool. It says Disney Snow White Evil Queen. Here is the back of the box. It says Bimetal. Little bit about the Evil Queen. So let's open her up and see how she looks. I'm so excited for her. Oh wow, here she is, guys. Look at her. She is so pretty. I just love her. Her face, her makeup, her dress. It is breathtaking. And see her eagle. It looks so cool, guys. What I really like about the packaging is this, transparent sheet. You can take her out. So sorry, I just dropped her, guys. And you can display her like that or with that transparent sheet. Now let's look at her. Her crown, her face. She truly is in beauty, guys. Now this was all for today, guys, and with this I will close this video and I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, guys, and I wish you have a very prosperous and fab upcoming New Year. Celebrate life to the fullest, do whatever you want, and I love you guys. And guys, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and keep coming back, keep watching my videos to let me know what video you would like to see next. And there are few videos I need to make, few of the people have asked me, so I'll be making them, guys, and keep sharing your love. Love you all. Bye bye. Happy New Year.